Welcome to another David Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm with Houston. He's got a Ford Transit out of South Carolina, and he wants to show me his bed and he's set up in the van here. Guys, you might want to set your van up like this. I'm always open to ideas. Everybody has something different about their vans. It's always interesting to see. So take a look.
This is how I do it.
You know, this is quite interesting because this has sort of been like on my bucket list since the beginning. I mean, starting out. Having a bed that raises up all the way to the ceiling, does not waste any space.
Watch this.
So you just tuck your mattress out of the way. Oh, you got this, what is this, a come-along? Did you make this or you bought this?
I made it.
You made it?
Yeah.
Looks awesome.
I went to the marina shop.
Uh-huh.
Got a boat crank for a trailer.
Oh, that is awesome.
And there was a disc back here and I cut it off. So I ordered
Uh-huh.
my sprocket here. These two sprockets.
You just gave me an idea. You don't have to order nothing. Just take this off the bike. Take the the other bike pedal off and just use the mechanism from the bike.
I done it because it's heavy duty.
Yes.
I can actually.
Oh, this is
crawl
heavy
up.
duty for sure.
Yeah, I can crawl up on it with the cables and lay down.
And I suppose once you crank it, like it's not gonna go back down, right?
I'll show you.
Like it locks in, right? Awesome. That is very cool.
And if
Very cool.
to make sure you stabilize it.
Do these legs fold in, or they just
Yes.
left like they are? Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome.
Stabilize it.
That is awesome. Wow.
Now, you can put 3 pallets in here.
Yep.
Now, say the pallet's this tall.
Uh-huh.
You got 3 pallets.
Yes.
Where you gonna sleep?
Exactly.
You see these?
Uh-huh.
E-tracks.
Yes.
Put one of these over here.
And a
one
2x4. And you got the 2x4s.
Put it right across here. Let my bed down on it.
You're prepared.
Oh,
You're
hell
prepared.
yeah. I'm 60
This
years old.
this
I'm
is smart.
always prepared.
This is smart because one of the things all the time, drivers ask me like, "Oh, should I build a sleeper, this or that?" I'm like thinking, you know, if you build one,
And I'm sure.
you're gonna actually sleep in it because
I'm sure.
you're taking up the room, But you're not taking up in your room. This is excellent.
And these here, I store these inside here.
Now, what do you do when the load is actually quite tall and it's gonna hit the bed? Did you ever run into that situation?
I don't take a load unless it's going to deliver the next morning.
Uh-huh.
If it's that tall.
Uh-huh. So you try to tell them to...
They know.
They know a certain height.
Yeah.
Well, at least for the first skid anyway, so they could probably compensate for that.
This here flips right out of the way.
Oh, yeah. So you actually got a jack and stuff? This is good to
I
have.
got a floor jack. Got my handle right here.
This is very nicely tucked away. How did you set this up like that? Like to where it's nice and
hooks
solid.
like this.
These type of hooks. Wow.
Yeah.
Did you buy them?
Yeah.
Wow, I never seen hooks like this.
Yeah, you go to the
For the
trailer
2x4s
supply-
I've seen, like for these things.
Trailer supply store.
Trailer supply. Well, you got a very nice setup, very
These
clean,
here-
everything tucked away.
These here 10 foot long
Uh-huh.
in Greenville, South Carolina,
Uh-huh.
off of exit 46. There's a trailer supply store.
Really?
$20 a stick.
What about your AC here? Did you set this up yourself?
Yeah.
This is very nice. Very low profile over here.
Right.
How is it on?
See, it's higher than this.
Yes. Where would you recommend buying like one of these AC units? I always kind of thought about these things.
That's a cold one, so just go to motorhome place.
Motorhome place?
Yeah.
What do they run about?
This one here was $600.
$600? That's not bad.
13,500 BTU.
You install it yourself?
Yeah.
13?
Ain't nothing to it.
Did you say 13,000?
13. That's 13.5.
That is plenty to cool this place.
Yeah, I got a in the summertime, I have a 3,300 watt generator.
So this is a.
Too.
Will it pull it?
It will, but it kind of bogs down. So what I'm gonna do is I've been watching videos.
Yes.
I'm gonna get me an easy start. And put in this.
Easy start?
And I can run it off of that.
What is an easy start?
It's a control box that instead of it starting up and bogging down,
yes,
it starts it up slowly. And to start up on the 13.5 was pulling 41 amps, okay? On the startup.
On the startup, because once it starts, it's about 1,000 probably.
Well, it drops down to about
1,300.
About 30 amps.
30 amps.
Or 18. No, it's 27.
But what about like watts? Like 1,000 watts probably. Once it drops down.
3,000 watt will run it with no problem.
Yeah, because 2,000 watt technically should run it.
It'll bog it.
But when it peaks, when it operates, it probably peaks higher than 2,000.
Once it starts running, it runs.
Because my Champion will not run at 10,000 BTU.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a 2,000 watt generator. Will not run at 10,000. And I know these things supposed to be 1,000 watt. Yeah, on low. Will not do it.
Huh. Well, but the easy start. When you get it and you install it, what it does, it learns your AC unit. You cut it off, cut it back on 5 times.
Really?
So it learns it.
Is it easy to set it up?
You know what the highest point was on it once they put the easy start on
nope.
there? 17.5.
17.5. How
you know what it runs?
How would you set it up?
15.
15? How would you set an easy start up? Because I've never heard it.
You have to go on top.
And
it has the diagram and everything for you to install.
So you need to like take it apart a little bit and install it?
$40.
40 bucks?
You can't beat them. You can go online and look for them. 40 bucks.
That is awesome.
It's easy to start.
Because summer's coming and a lot of guys are going to be interested in one of these things.
See, if I can get it to run good on that 2,200 watt Westinghouse, I love that generator.
Really?
And
what did you pay for that generator?
$400.
Where'd you buy this? Because it's very quiet.
That was wide open. That's on Eco.
Yeah, this is very quiet.
But this here runs all my heaters and stuff.
It's like a Honda.
Similar.
It looks like a similar design, except it's blue.
It'll run a 10,000 watt. It'll run a 10,000, no problem.
Really?
Yeah.
Where would you pick out one of these things up?
I ordered it through Home Depot.
Through Home Depot?
I went online and ordered it and went to the store and picked it up.
Oh, you know what I see that's really interesting? You have a expandable type of tank.
Okay. Go to Walmart, $45, get the tank.
I've seen the tank, but I really don't know how the system works.
Make your lines up.
So did you have to buy this separately, or does it come with it?
Yeah, dude. $23.
$23?
This is the 18, around $19.
I bought this little thing.
Around $19 or something at Walmart. Walmart. What dollar parts to get these.
And you have this type of connector, like a. Oh, so you put it right in the cap. Very interesting. So. Once you actually set it up,
I pump it 3 times.
You pumped it, and then it keeps going, right?
Times, leave it alone.
Really? So you just got a free flow, basically.
That's only got a gallon and 2 tenths. Let's 3 gallons.
Because have you considered installing a generator underneath the van?
I've not found one. The only one that I have seen is the kind that they actually use on the RVs and stuff. And the only way to do that, and I know how to do it, you would have to take the spare tire out from under that.
I took mine out.
And put a roller. Where you can
roller.
Roll it in, but it's got to be enclosed, but it's got to have air too.
Yes.
So you'd have to be able to roll it in, roll it out.
Okay, that is smart. I didn't think about the rolling in and rolling out.
And they actually, well, think of a drawer.
Yes.
Okay? They actually have the slides.
They have
that
it?
will hold 500 pounds.
Wow. So you just need to install it a little bit lower and just roll it out like a drawer to put your fuel and stuff in there.
I wish I had my other generator. You can put that on it.
Huh?
I wish I had my other generator. It goes in my hitch.
Yes.
Generator,
Oh, it swings out on the hitch.
well, I built it. I designed it and built it. Everybody that's seen it, they want one. They said, would you build me? But
I have a link to a website that has those.
It ain't like this.
It's about $300.
Generator sits over here,
Uh-huh.
and it swings all.
Yeah, it swings all the way out so you could get loaded.
It swings all the way.
Oh, all the way over there. Okay, that is a lot different.
Yeah, no joke.
Yeah, because I've seen those that swing out over here and they sit about here.
Yeah,
So,
like that.
yeah.
Like that, like that.
Yeah, like that one, yeah.
Mine, and when it sits over here, I can go in and out.
You have backup sensors?
Yeah.
That is cool.
And see,
Never seen anybody with backup sensors.
People,
Uh-huh.
people, put your bar across here so the damn forklift won't hit your bumper.
That is smart.
That's what I done.
Yeah.
I cut my generator off
Uh-huh.
because I keep that one on the inside. I put that other bar up there so the forklift as far as they can get it.
I really like how you set this thing up.
Oh, I've done that.
You just done all
I
this.
was gonna spend $30.
Exactly. I have all these fittings. I have a lot of different stuff.
This comes with everything.
Yeah, yeah.
All you gotta do is put this in.
So
Right there in
this
that
already has this type of
Well, it has this.
but you had to install the compressor type.
You
this
got
piece.
there and this. Go to auto parts store, get gas line. Get you 4 foot. That's all you need.
4 foot. And then just basically set that up, this up.
Go online.
Uh-huh.
You can get 3 of these for $8.99.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah,
I
that's
actually have
18
one of
bucks.
those. And I have one that's controlled with the drill.
Well, that there's $18 a lot.
What about sticking one that you could put a drill on it to pump it?
I ain't never seen that.
I have one of those.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It pumps it.
Yeah, you basically put just a regular drill. Like it's got
It primes it.
yeah, you could, I mean, it's designed so that you could pump your gas out of the, tank into a different container, fuel your, vehicle up. Some people use it for oil collection, from like restaurants and stuff, if they run their diesel off oil. I haven't got to that point yet, but it's one of those reasons. But this is really cool. I think a lot of guys will actually, like to see this here
Okay.
because,
On a full tank,
uh-huh,
wide open, this thing run good 8 hours.
yeah,
Alright. That's just a little over a gallon.
yeah,
There's 3 gallons.
yep.
I run 3 days on it.
That is awesome. Pretty economical.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expediter business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.